Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I just wanted to make a quick video explaining how to properly use the currency strength meter while trading Forex. Now I've done a video in the past explaining this, but I think this is an important concept, so I think it should have a video of its own. This won't be too long, hopefully, but yeah, so we'll get into it. Okay, so the website I'm on right now is just called livecharts.co.uk currency strength meter. It'll be in the description for you guys to click on it afterwards. So basically here's our major currencies along the top and some of our minor currencies along the bottom. So these bars determine how strong our currency currently is. So these weaker pairs like euro will only have 1 or 2 bars, while the stronger pairs will have 4, 5, or 6 bars. Now, one thing I want to say is this website automatically refreshes every 5 minutes, but these things are always changing. So every time you look at this website while you're trading, I would recommend just quickly refreshing it. See, as I said that, euro went down a bar. So every time you look at it, I would refresh it quickly, just because it only automatically updates every 5 minutes, and these things are constantly changing. But nevertheless, I'll get right into explaining how the currency strength meter works. So let's say we're trading a pair like Euro AUD, okay? So as you can see, there's a large discrepancy between the two pairs in their strengths, Euro being a very weak pair, while AUD being a very strong pair. So this is how I like to look at it, okay? So we have our pairs Euro AUD. Now what I like to do is I like to imagine a scale, okay? So we have our scale here. Now, if we go back, Euro has 1 bar, while AUD has 6 bars. Now, I like to picture these bars as weights. Let's just say they're 1 pound weights, okay? So Euro would have 1 pound on it, right? While AUD would have 6 pounds on it. Now, what that would look like on a scale is it would look something like this, right? 1 pound, 6 pounds. And while reading this, you can kind of see that the scale is pointing downwards. Okay, do you guys see what I'm saying? Now let's say it was reversed and AUD had 1 pound and Euro had 6 pounds. It would look something like this, right? So AUD would have 6 pounds, or sorry, Euro would have 6 pounds, and AUD had one, and would be pointing in upward direction. But that's not what it's like. It is pointing as such here. 6 pounds here, and Euro being one. So we're going in a downward direction, okay? Now, if we go over, we'll actually just quickly go over to Euro AUD and see what it's like. And as you can see, the market is going in a downwards direction. It's in a downtrend, right? So this is an easy way to kind of predict trends and just look for easy trends while you're going to start trading. So we'll do one more. We'll do an easy one again. We'll do EURCAD, okay? So Euro having 1 bar, CAD having 5 bars. We'll quickly draw out our scale. Now I don't draw out the scale every time. I kind of just picture it in my mind. Okay, so this side is Euro, and this side is CAD. And Euro had 1, and CAD had 5. So 1 pound, 5 pounds. Now what that would look like is something like this, right? With 1 pound and 5 pounds weighing the scale down. And once again, this would be pointing in a downwards direction. So if we go over to EURCAD here, we can see that it is currently in a downtrend, right? So once again, this is just an easy way to predict and describe market trends that are currently going on. Now we're going to do one last example of a pair that has even bars. Okay, so we'll do AUD NZD. Okay, so AUD currently has 6 bars as well as NZD. They both have 6 bars. So I'm not going to completely draw out the scale, but if they each have 6 bars on them, if they each have 6 bars on them, then the scale would be even, right? It wouldn't be weighing down in any direction. Now we'll go over to, it was AUD NZD, so we'll go over to AUD NZD, and we'll see that it's not really in a definitive direction currently, right? It was on a downtrend in the past, but as of right now, it's kind of consolidated a little bit. So once again, even bars would predict a consolidating market, while if there's a large discrepancy between the bars, then it would be a more of a trendy market. So hopefully this video is helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. My email as well as Instagram is going to be in the description, as well as this website for you guys to click on, as well as you can leave a comment asking a question or whatever you guys like. But other than that, thank you guys for watching the video and hope you guys have a good day.